Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a great day and you don't mind too much that I'm out today. I'm out for testing. I didn't realize it until 8th period yesterday, so unfortunately if I saw you yesterday I couldn't tell you, but I told 9th period. So hopefully you have a great day with my sub and understand the lesson. If you have any questions, please just feel free to ask me when I come back. Okay, so today what we're doing is sector area. And after I go over a couple, you'll have some questions on the Nearpod. Specifically, you're going to do questions 2, 4, 6, and then 12, 14, and 16. Okay, so those are the 6 questions that you're going to be expected to master on the Nearpod. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember to take really good notes because you can use these notes on your quiz next week. You'll have a quiz on Tuesday. A sector is a portion of a circle bounded by 2 radii and its intercepted arc. We want to think of a sector like a slice of pizza, or if you're not into pizza, you can think of it as a slice of pie or a slice of cake, okay? So what it is, it's going to be the formula for the area of a circle, so it's pi r squared. But you're going to take a percentage of that circle. Remember, a whole circle is 360 degrees. And x is going to be the amount of that degree measure of your arc for that sector that you're talking about. So what you're going to do is make a fraction to represent the portion of that circle, and then it'll be pi r squared. Okay, so let's look at number 1 together. Number 1, it's wanting me to find the area of that shaded sector there. Here, my x is going to be 51 degrees, and it tells me that BC is 16 feet. And that's my r. Okay, r equals 16 feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 16 and 51 and just plug them straight into that formula. So x over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, using that, I'm going to plug in what I know. I know 51 is my x. All right, and then pi times the radius, which is 16 squared. This entire thing is going to go straight into your calculator. Okay, so when you're doing it, you're going to type it straight into your calculator. I'm going to put this fraction in parentheses. I'm not going to use alpha y equals because sometimes when you use alpha y equals, it'll give you a fraction because pi is also the same as 22 over 7. So it's kind of weird. So that times pi parentheses 16 squared. And if you do that, then you'll get your answer. 113.9. Now remember, this is area and we're talking about feet, so this is square feet. Okay, let's try one more, number 3. So in this case, my x is 84 degrees. Right, and it tells me JK is 3 millimeters. So you're going to do 84 as my x, I'm using that same formula, over 360 times pi, my radius here is 3, squared. And again, when I type it in my calculator, I'm going to use the parentheses and the division, so 84 divided by 360 times, remember to hit second, and then that pi button's right here underneath clear, pi, parentheses 3 squared. And I get 6.6 if I round. 6.6 square millimeters. All right. Remember, you're finding the area of the shaded sector. Now in this case, it gives me the unshaded portion. So it gives me 42. Now I don't want 42. I want the measurement of all of this, which is going to be that 360 minus 42. So if you do that, 360 minus 42, I get 318, and that is my x, okay? X equals 318. So remember, your formula is x over 360 times pi r squared. So 318 over 360 times pi. And in this case, my yz is my r9 squared. All you do is you type it in, 318, 360 times pi 9 squared. 224.8. And that's inches squared. All right, so your Nearpod, if you hit the next button, it'll give you 3 questions. It's going to be questions 2, 4, and 6. Multiple choice. Make sure that you're able to answer those before you move on to the next section because it does get a little bit harder. All right, best of luck.